Hello and welcome to Mastering Excel Essentials in 60 Minutes. Today we'll learn about date and time functions and how to manipulate dates and times with ease in Excel. Let's take an example. So let's look at the today formula. So if you write today and bracket, so it will return the current date. So let's see how it can be done. So press equal and write today and press enter. So you can see that it is showing 31st December 2023. Suppose we want to get the date that is after 5 days from today. So what you will do, you'll write equal let today plus 5. So as you can see, it's showing 5th January 2024. So let's see if how we can get the number of days between the current date and some other date. So let's type equal and we have to write date value and write the date. Suppose we want to get let's 10 December 2023 minus today. So if you press enter, so it will show you the date. So let's see, you have to change it to general and you can see that it's showing that there's a 21. Suppose if we make it 01, so it will show me 30 days. Okay, so let's see how you can get return the current day of the month. So in this case, what you have to do, you have to type equal day of today, press enter. So it's showing 31. What about if you want to get the month? So you have to equal month today. So it's December, so it's showing 12. So let's see how you can find the age of someone. In that case, if you can write equal year today, and suppose someone was born on 1982. So let's see, press enter, and you can see that he is 41 years old. Let's see how you can add days to date. So suppose we have a date that is 31st December 2023 and here we want to add 10 days to it. So provide the days here and equal, we can just select the date plus the number of days that you want to add. So it will automatically show you the date after 10 days. What if you want to do a type a minus, so it will show you 10 days prior to this. Now we learn how you can use a function to add months to a date. So the formula is equal edate and then you have to type the start date, that is 01/12/2023 and comma. Suppose we want to add 3 months, so and press enter. So we have to change it to date, and as you can see that it is um, adding 3 months to the December of 1st December of 2023, and it is showing you the date. And if you want to go back, so you can just press -3 and it will show you 3 months prior the date. Now we'll learn how you can fill data automatically in worksheet cells. You can use the autofill features to fill cells with data that follows a pattern or are based on data in other cells. So this is very useful if you want to work with data and dates. So let's take a date that is 01. Okay, and then we'll write 02 12 2023, and then what we can do, we can select both and we can just drag the small square that, as you can see, that it's showing that the dates are added subsequently. So in this way you can fill up any worksheet with a series of dates. Thank you for watching this video and hope you like it, and you can use date and time formula and functions to use in your worksheet. Thank you. Have a great day.